Hey there, how are you doing? I'm Dilan from Real Start. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today is our first day. Let's speak broken English program. Lesson number 1. Today I'm going to teach you the lesson number 1. Oh, if there's a newcomer to this video or to my channel, please go to introduction video. This lesson series, introduction video. Last week I did it. Please go and watch and come back again, because if you didn't watch that video, you can't realize, you can't understand what I'm doing here. Please go to my previous video, introduction video, and come to this video. This is for beginners, not for experts, not for advanced students, right? This is for beginners, basic students, right? Can you understand me? I'm not using big words, I'm not using big grammar things, right? I use very small words. Can you understand? Right, okay, today is our very first day. Can you remember the introduction video? As I said in my introduction video, I'm going to explain everything, like mobile phone, computer, my books, and lots of things will be explained here. But I don't use proper English, I don't use standard English, I don't use perfect English, right? I use only broken English to you. If you can imitate me, if you can act like me, if you can tell something like me, okay. So today is your first lesson. I'm going to teach you my lesson right now. The name of my lesson is My English Book, right? The lesson name, what? My English Book. I'll show you my English book, and then you're going to learn about my English book. If you're interested, continue watching. Hello my friends, I'm going to explain about this book. This is my book, right? This is my picture. Now broken English, okay? No standard English, no proper English, broken English. Let's speak broken English. This is my English book. See, can you see it? Yes, this is my English book. This is we can say front page. Front page, very beautiful, very beautiful. So many letters. Real Start logo, and you can see Sinhala letters, right? Sinhala letters, spoken English, and this is picture Dilan, Nimmika, right? See, white, but I'm black, right? I am black, but here white. My goodness, okay. I am originally black person, but here white. I edited use computer and use softwares. I edited black, white, right? Okay. Then Real Start logo, and you can now you can see back side of the book, back page. Logo and sentences, not Sinhala sentences, English, no English sentences, Sinhala. ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන නම් දන්න වචන දෙක තුන වැරදි හරි කට ඇරලා හැමදාම කතා කරන්න. Good advice, contact details, telephone numbers, page, back page, not colorful, black, white, blue color logo, and there are so many pages. See, there are so many pages. You can see English sentences, problems, questions, Sinhala sentences, and pages can see 142 pages. Book is very good. Learn English. Then so many advice, and you can see 42 lessons. And I think very small book. I like this book. I read, I learn, I do so many things. You buy, friend talk English, use this book. So many difficult words you can learn. Then you can every time speak English with friends, family members. Big support. This is big support book. And so we can see no grammar. මූලික දැනුමක් ව්‍යාකරණ පොඩ්ඩක්වත් අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. No grammar. No need grammar. Good book. So I think if you can learn this book, your English going fast, going up. But we can't buy this book. No books now. This is good book, but now book is no bookshops. No, can't you can't buy this. So I think this book is very good. Good help to my English, improve English, and talk English with my friends, understand English. So first lesson, you can see, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What's your name? Very small questions. But lesson number 42, some hard questions, difficult questions. So ඇගේ කඩේ තියෙන තැපල් කන්තුරුවයි පොලිස් ස්ථානයේ අතර. Her shop is in between the post office and the police station. So very difficult sentences, questions. But anyway, book is very nice, very colorful. I like very small book. This is good children, girls, boys, uncles, aunties, grandfathers, grandmothers, everyone. This is good, everyone. I think this book is very important book to me. So I am very happy. Right, could you understand what I said? Actually, I talked about my book. I talked about my English book. And so now what you have to do is, you have to imitate me, you have to act like me, you have to speak like me. Take your own book, right? You don't have this book, right? This is my book. You take your own book and try to explain it to your family members, try to explain it to your friends, right? But don't use big sentences as I use. Please use only basic sentences, very small sentences, right? Then did you see how I talked? Then did you see how I explain everything, right? I didn't use big grammar things, right? I didn't use big sentences, lengthy sentences. Only basic things. I used only broken English. Please try to do it. So if you can do this, you can improve your knowledge, spoken English knowledge. Understood? Then this is the best way to improve your knowledge. Don't say I can't do this, I don't have words. But anyway, I explained. This is the way, right? Yeah, practice it and try to explain. Next week I'm going to explain another thing, right? Today English book I explained. Next week I'm going to explain a different thing. Understood? Next week I'm going to give you another lesson. It means I'm not going to explain about this book. I'm going to explain a new thing. So now I'm going to finish my lesson. You have come to the end. You have come to the conclusion of my lesson. So today, if you have any questions, if you have any issues, please feel free to contact me. You can call my number and you can ask anything, whatever you want, right? I'm Dilan, your friend, your teacher. Then you can ask anything, whatever you want. Comment section is below. You can comment, you can write anything, whatever you want in my comment section. So guys, if you're interested, keep watching these videos, like these videos, share these videos among your friends. So thank you very much for watching my videos again and again. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care.